But I went to JoAnn's today, and I'm telling you, this was a great opportunity. I actually went to find, these are on a tile, and I created them out of fabric, and so they're actually coasters. And I was going to put this on the back of it, and it was too thick. So I went to go get something. I went to go get some things at JoAnn's. So all of this is a great haul. I got this because I'm a crafter, and we're going to do this craft called leadership, right? So I'm going to be making cards. So I have this. I got this. I got this. Don't judge me. But this is rock solid. These. Oh my. This is at JoAnn's. Listen to me. If you're a person that is a creative, you're looking for opportunities to do things, you're looking for a place to enjoy, JoAnn's is really rock solid. So this is some stuff I found, and these were 40% off. And the other ones weren't that expensive. So the total haul, hello, for today was under $35. All of this. And this is like 27 pieces, 29 pieces, 33 pieces. And as you continue to follow me, you're going to see me make something. And I'm going to try to do it this week. I'm going to make some things from some journals that I have, where start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Because I have journals that I purchased before the pandemic for classes. And I'm going to rock the journals, okay? So stay tuned. Again, all of this for under $35. So keep that in mind as you go to Amazon and other places. JoAnn's could be a place, and print that coupon for 40% off. Rock it.